Kabla, I'm said, I'm here back home. What's your man done so? My name between Saddick and Opokunti, difference and what Sahara record. Or hat-trick and then Opokunti so hard. So Opokunti is also hat-trick. But them say Saddick a bantam. Good
First half.
Within 30 minutes, right?
Is that part?
Within 30 minutes, Ella Saddick. But my main chance in free more. Saddick, a day before the match, who you training?
I'm training, but my new training, sir.
You were at the training grounds.
Yeah,
well,
no.
But why you training?
Me training.
Like training, training.
Okay, with the match here, what team for near so. A day before the game, no. I think my your doctors and also about because they came with a plan. Or now your team now has for Bosco and Ima. I think they came with a plan because now your squad no more now has for no or money at damage so I say
sure.
Like apart from me, they don't think anybody waiting.
It's a fact. It's a fact.
So I'm wondering ever Kasa said this is what they have planned. Say they want to bring up something I just say during the training. I should act like say I'm a player.
Internet said the idea of the medical team.
Yeah, the medical team know this idea in buy.
Saddick and your medical team per se, the idea of the coach.
Now, okay, they mean to me because what
my uncle here for say Kotoko has to folk FA Cup match.
Yeah.
I was telling you. Kiki be boy na ko the same match in the tomorrow. Kotoko has to folk FA Cup match with Tamale. Yeah, Kotoko share has to folk 3-1.
Yeah.
Saddick na share 3 goals in the first half. It will be a game. Now, as a matter of fact, going to that game, you know, someone can ask for 4.
Oh yeah. Because now most of their players no more. So I want full team.
Sure.
But now me know like me myself now me because I was even the captain of the team. And son of Mboko because the ball African Cup, okay, I don't know, Kara, no,
sure.
I got injured that time in my call for me. So it wasn't anything for me, but as fancy there. Now Musa players in our national team because 5 or 6 players from one national team or Matima Koboa or my G trophy now. I think they now percentage come more say or more upper handed or
so because that time that time, my main shot number of players and network national team House of Food. Thomas Abbey, Vincent Atenga,
Patrick Razak,
Wilfred Kobna,
Kwame Zito,
Kizito. Sure. I think that now they were 5 or 6.
I know we were 5 and 6.
Yeah. They were 5 or 6. No one now just started for us.
Double right back.
And seriously, I don't know. I'm someone take trophy say a week or 2. And that's how much.
Yeah. So they were in good form, no more form they no more. And you know, I will give the credit to first the coach and also the Polak, and also the medical team. Because the beginning, anytime I say to be a coach, there are so many things involved. More can say manager because you have to know how to manage the players. No matter what, you have to know how to manage the players. To me, anytime I could be the credit to Coach Polak because he's more than a coach. The first week, the preparation now the coach has now. The first week, the preparation now the coach has now pressure.